In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix BMO online banking login error. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, completely close the BMO app or browser tab and reopen it before trying to log in again. If you're using the BMO mobile app, launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app BMO. If you see the option Update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, clear cache for the app, so launch your Settings app. Navigate to the option General, click on iPhone Storage, find BMO app and launch it. Click on Offload app and confirm it. Wait for a few seconds, then click on Reinstall app. This will clear all the cache for the app. With these, your problem might be fixed. Likewise, check if you have enabled VPN or proxy, because secure banking systems sometimes block those connections. In case it is enabled, disable it. Next, double check your login credentials and make sure your password and card details are entered correctly. If you recently changed your password, try waiting a few minutes before signing in again. If the error still appears, restart your PC or the phone. Also check the server status of BMO Bank. There might be outage on BMO side, so waiting a little while and trying again later can also help. Finally, if nothing works, contact BMO customer support to check for account restrictions or technical issues connected to your online banking profile. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.